Yo guys, what is up? It is your boy Chimbers here, back with another video today. Into today's video, we're going to be telling you what an NFT is. So basically, NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. They're like one-of-a-kind digital assets that you can buy. You can buy them in like GIFs, you can buy them in just images, pictures, or you can actually buy tweets. So once you have bought that digital asset, it will exist on the blockchain, obviously bought with digital currency, and then obviously the buyer, the owner, will have like rights over it, like ownership rights. So moving on, NFTs, what do they look like? So to start off, NFT space is so early. The easiest way to start up is obviously images. Bored Ape Yacht Club is the most popular, pretty much one right now. These is what the NFT kind of looks like. Every single one will be uniquely identified as like different, so they have different properties, different traits, so you can unique like identify an NFT to another. By looking at them, they do look very similar, but down to the properties and the traits, they are uniquely different. So I'd like to use kind of like a real life scenario to actually link NFTs to what it would be like in the real life world. So for example, you go out, you buy a watch. On the back of that watch, you'll have something that looks like this, like a model number on the back, which basically states, and if you search up on Google, if it's like a well-known watch, then it will actually come up with the exact watch that you've got, like the type of it, etc., and all like the traits around it. And obviously that kind of like it goes for the bank because you purchase it online, or you can purchase it like at the store, and obviously you pay that with money, and that will like go through the bank and then switch the money over to the watches company, and then at the end the customer has got the watch. So in NFTs, you buy the digital asset, you've got the photo, and on the photo it's like a hash. It's like a hash algorithm. So all of these like numbers, it just looks a bunch of gibberish, but like that is in a sense the model number for the NFT. And all of these will show, and they're uniquely different. So if you did search that up on the blockchain, it will come up with that NFT. So like I said, the blockchain will be like the middleman, like the bank, and it will just go to the customer. So a real life scenario to NFT is actually quite easy to grasp and understand. So hopefully you grasp more what NFTs are and you actually understand it a lot more. This was like a simple video. If you want me to go more in depth and detailed about NFTs and how to buy them, etc., let me know in the comments below. But thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.